This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the problem. Open Disk Management or run disk part and confirm the volume is RAW. Immediately stop write operations. Formatting now destroys data. Next, make a raw image of the whole disk. This preserves sectors and lets you work safely. Use HDD raw copy or DRescue for a sector-by-sector image. It may take hours, but that buys you recoverability. Once the image exists, you can perform repairs on the copy, not the original, to avoid losing files. With an image mounted as a virtual disk, you can attempt non-destructive fixes. First, use test disk to analyze and rebuild the partition table or NTFS boot sector. Test disk guides you step by step, so read prompts. If metadata is damaged, run chkdsk against the mounted image. Do this only after imaging because it writes changes. If the file system is irreparable, extract files directly using PhotoRec or Recuva. These carve files by content, so you recover data even without a healthy file system. Once you have files recovered onto another drive, validate them, open documents and run checksums to confirm integrity. If the image repairs worked, recreate partitions and format only the recovered original if you plan to reuse it, then copy data back. If repairs repeatedly fail, perform another sector-by-sector clone or consult a professional lab. Fragile drives can worsen with retries. One key troubleshooting tip: if files are corrupt, stop and reimage. Multiple write attempts increase permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.